Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Vouchers in Daraz. To begin, open your Daraz application or visit their official website. Navigate directly to the Vouchers or Wallet section, typically located within your account settings. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of all your available Max Vouchers, clearly displayed and ready for activation. Take a moment to review each voucher's details before proceeding to your shopping. Once you have identified your desired items, add them to your shopping cart as usual. When you are ready to complete your purchase, proceed to the checkout page. On this page, you will see an option to select or apply a voucher. Choose the applicable Max voucher from the list provided. The discount, perhaps a 20% reduction or a fixed amount like 200 rupees, will then be automatically applied to your order total. It is absolutely crucial to understand the specific terms and conditions associated with each Max voucher. Many vouchers come with a minimum spend requirement, for instance, an order total of at least 500 rupees before they can be successfully applied. Always check the expiration date carefully. Some vouchers are valid for only a few days or weeks. Additionally, be aware of any specific product categories or stores the voucher applies to, ensuring your selected items qualify. If your voucher isn't working, first double-check that your order meets all the stated criteria, including minimum spend and product eligibility. For persistent issues, do not hesitate to contact Daraz customer service. They are there to help. A smart tip is to try combining Max vouchers with other ongoing promotions or bank discounts whenever possible, potentially saving you a significant amount, perhaps even 50%, on your total purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.